Nick's Adventures, yeah!
Everyone, welcome back to Nick's Adventures, and today, my mom tells me to show you guys this shirt. Keep calm and cruise on. Anyway,
Take exit 1C towards TX 275 and FM 188.
Be quiet, Siri. Anyway, we are headed to Galveston. Oh, we are right over the ocean right now. And we are gonna get onto the cruise ship. You should already know by now by the title and stuff. So let's go.
2.5 miles.
Siri, I told you to be quiet. Let's go. There's the ocean. Come on, can I open up the window? There's the ocean. Oh, hang on, I see a speedboat down there. Holy moly. I wonder if we're gonna go under this bridge. There it is, it's over there. It's like a Y-shaped funnel over there. I'm trying to get to a more stable area. There we go. It's time to go! I heard the horn go off! Oh my god, there's seagulls just flying! What in the world? They're exciting! And look guys, we're moving! Goodbye, Texas! Goodbye, United States of America! I hope this music isn't copyright. Okay, so today is the second day on the ship, and I'm wondering if I could go swimming today because the pool is open, so who knows. Okay, so I'm headed back to the room, and oh, hang on. Okay, I'm headed back to the room now. Oh, hang on. For us. A crab! Oh, oops, that's still here from the thing. I lost the thing that was holding it in, so I have two lollipops holding the tripod together. So, yeah. Whoa. It's really splashing out there. Clear skies. Everything.
Next